So welcome to another video. In this video, I want to give a quick introduction to closures in Swift. So I want to share with you a simple example on where we would use closures very often. So what we have here is a simple array of numbers. And what we want to do is we want to just sort this array. And Swift has by default a sort function for us, so we can just simply use this. And if we would print out our array, then we would get the wanted output. And that's perfect, but what if we wanted this to be sorted in descending order, right? Because now it's ascending, and what if we wanted descending? So if we wanted to do that, we would have to change the function here, right? And well, you may ask yourself, how would you change an existing function? So because we could think of that in this function somewhere we have this lesser than, and we want to change it to an greater than, right? But how do we do that?
Like we know that we can pass in values in order to have something customized in a function, but can we also pass in something like code blocks? And the answer, of course, is we can, and for that we would just pass in a closure.
And what a closure does is that it's like a tiny function, and then in this tiny closure we can say, well, we want something customizable, right? We want like an greater than instead of an less than. So what we would do is that we would use the parameter by, which is in this sort function by default, and then we would just open curly braces, and here we have our closure. And in this closure we say, well, number 1 and number 2 in, and then we return number 1 greater than number 2. Right, exactly what we want. And if we would print it now, then you will see that we have what we wanted. What this basically says is that for any pair in this array, we want it to sort this way. So because this would come first and the second, if we sort them this way, then of course we have a descending order at the end. Perfect. Thank you for watching.